Yalong YL-36A PLC System Application Training Examination Device is designed in a modular way. It applies to the vocational skill level requirements of PLC system application programming. The system integrates advanced manufacturing technologies such as mechanical transmission technology, electronic and electrical technology, intelligent sensing technology, programmable control technology, machine vision technology, computer technology, serial communication technology, and Ethernet communication technology. The system covers professional knowledge of various disciplines. Knowledge includes mechanical manufacturing and automation, electrical automation, mechatronics, maintenance and management of electromechanical equipment, Internet of Things, IoT, intelligent sensing, intelligent manufacturing, and so on. The system meets the assessment requirements of Professional Skill Level Standard for Application Programming of PLC System. The three-dimensional warehouse module is mainly composed of stepping motor, manipulator, pneumatic slide, base plate, etc. The independent axis position control can meet the warehouse in and out management of workpieces, carry out warehouse in and warehouse out according to the order requirements, and carry out the assembly and matching of personalized products. The visual sorting module is mainly composed of three-phase asynchronous motor, encoder, visual system, transmission mechanism, base plate, etc. The independent axis speed control can be used for the sorting and conveying of workpieces. The visual system can detect the color or shape of workpieces and sort kits according to the order requirements. The conveying module is mainly composed of servo motor, manipulator, linear module, base plate, etc. Through the independent axis position control, the multi-point conveying of the workpiece can be met, such as conveying the workpiece to the temperature control module for drying. Temperature control is mainly composed of control circuit board, instrument, base plate, etc., and it simulates temperature control in process control. PLC output the analog signal for PID adjustment to provide constant temperature for product drying. The belt conveying module is mainly composed of belt conveyor, encoder, and fixed base plate. Photoelectric sensor and blocking device are installed on the conveyor to detect and block workpieces. The gantry handling module is mainly composed of gantry mechanism, storage mechanism, fixed base plate, fast circuit connector, servo system, fixture, etc. The storage mechanism is used to store the workpiece package, and the gantry mechanism is used for the control of the linkage shaft system, which can carry out the assembly of the workpiece package, arc interpolation track, gluing, and other operations.